no intro. So the first thing you want to do is just go over to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use basically any browser. It's not really going to make a difference. And you just want to type in Streamlabs into your search bar, or just click the top link in the description down below, and click on the first result, which should be Streamlabs free live streaming and recording software. Now, once you get to this page, you'll see this screen. Here you just accept the cookies or reject them, it's your choice. And you just go over to Streamlabs desktop if you are on Windows. Of course, this is a Windows tutorial, so just click on Streamlabs. And you'll see it will very quickly begin to download. So, as you can see, it's now downloaded, so we can just close our browser and open up our downloads folder. Now, I have a shortcut set up, but you are able to do this with basically anything. What the fuck? 3, 2, 1. Now I do have 3, 2, 1. Now I do have a shortcut set up, so I will just be clicking this button. But for you, the process might be a little bit different. You might actually have to go into the file explorer. But here, I'm just going to double click my shortcut, and here we have the desktop setup. So all you need to do is just double click the Streamlabs setup, and it is going to give you this user account control pop-up, which you will not be able to see on the video, and you just click yes. And here we go. Here we have the license agreement. You just agree to the license agreement, or read the whole thing, it's up to you, and click install. As you can see, it will now begin to install. You'll have this nice little progress bar. It's going to show you the different processes of it being installed, so that's why it's going to jump forward and backwards occasionally. So just wait for that to be finished. As you can see here, it's downloading Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable, so just wait for this to download as well, as it is necessary for Streamlabs to run, and then just click finish. And as you can see, right here, it is going to start loading up, and if we actually go inside of the software, we'll see that we have new updates to Streamlabs desktop. Now here, it's already connected to my account on Streamlabs, so it has all of the different things here already, like my scene, which just shows like recent subscribers, recent public subscribers, reactions for when I want to do reaction content, if I ever want to do it. But here, as you can see, we have the horizontal output, and we have a vertical output if you want to do shorts or whatever. You just like plop it up here, and you can just enable dual output, which is kind of cool. Not a lot of streaming software allows you to do this right out of the box, which is cool. Streamlabs is just OBS with a few extra features that make everything just a little bit easier to use. So I'm just going to run you through a few of the very important features. Number one, we have the App Store, I guess. So if we go to App Store Home, we'll be able to see a bunch of stuff. Here, like the Go Live bot, Intelligent Streaming Agent, Ticker, and stuff like that. Clip it. Then we have the Get Paid to Stream with Streamlabs sponsorships. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. But this is just a bunch of basically plugins. If you've ever done Minecraft, if you've ever done a Minecraft server or something, this is basically what this is. This is basically just plugins. And then of course all the settings are basically the same. So output, audio, video, everything is very easy. If you've used Streamlabs or OBS, you've used both of them. You know exactly how to get it working. I will make a more in-depth tutorial later on, which is going to show you exactly how to change a few settings, the best settings for like low-end hardware and stuff to actually stream and record, the best bit rates and the best encoders, but that's going to be for later. So that's where we're going to finish off this tutorial. Hope you found this tutorial useful, hope you found it enjoyable, and if you do want to see more videos like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss another upload. Thanks!